Hey crypto enthusiasts! Ever feel like you blinked and suddenly the whole landscape shifted? Well, buckle up, because lately, the crypto exchange Kraken has been making some serious waves. But what exactly are the major headlines swirling around this giant of the digital asset world? Let's dive in and unpack the key stories that have put Kraken firmly in the news. Now, before we zoom in on the recent buzz, it's worth remembering just how significant Kraken is in the crypto ecosystem. Founded way back in 2011, it's one of the oldest and most respected exchanges out there. Think of it as a veteran player, having weathered numerous market cycles and regulatory storms. They've built a reputation for security, a wide range of supported cryptocurrencies, and features that cater to both beginners and seasoned traders. This established presence makes any news surrounding Kraken particularly noteworthy, as it often has ripple effects across the broader crypto market. So, what's been grabbing headlines lately? One of the most significant developments has undoubtedly been the regulatory scrutiny Kraken has faced. Globally, regulators are increasingly focused on crypto exchanges, aiming to bring them within existing financial frameworks or create new ones. Kraken, being a major international player, has naturally found itself under this magnifying glass in various jurisdictions. Let's talk specifics. One of the biggest stories that broke involved the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, or SEC. Earlier this year, the SEC took action against Kraken regarding its staking-as-a-service program. The SEC argued that this program constituted the offering of unregistered securities to U.S. investors. This wasn't just a slap on the wrist, it resulted in Kraken agreeing to discontinue the service for U.S. clients and paying a significant fine. This move sent shockwaves through the crypto industry. Staking, the process of locking up crypto assets to support a blockchain network and earn rewards, is a popular way for users to generate passive income. Kraken's program was one of the more prominent offerings in this space. The SEC's stance raised serious questions about the regulatory status of staking and its implications for other exchanges offering similar services. It sparked a wider debate within the crypto community about the balance between innovation and regulation, and the potential impact on user access to these kinds of yield-generating opportunities. Beyond the immediate impact on Kraken's U.S. operations, this SEC action had a chilling effect on the staking landscape. Other exchanges operating in the U.S. had to carefully reevaluate their own staking programs, leading some to make adjustments or even halt services for American customers. This highlighted the growing regulatory pressure in the U.S. and the potential for significant changes in how crypto platforms can operate. However, the regulatory landscape isn't uniform across the globe, and Kraken's experiences reflect this. While facing headwinds in the U.S., the exchange has also been actively pursuing and securing licenses and registrations in other regions. This demonstrates a proactive approach to navigating the complex and often fragmented global regulatory environment. For instance, Kraken has been making strides in Europe. They've been working to comply with the Markets in Crypto Assets (MiCA) regulation, a comprehensive framework that aims to harmonize crypto regulation across the European Union. This involves adapting their services and ensuring they meet the new requirements for licensing, consumer protection, and operational standards. Kraken's commitment to navigating MiCA suggests a long-term strategy for growth and expansion within the European market, positioning them as a compliant player in a major economic zone. Similarly, Kraken has been exploring opportunities and seeking regulatory approvals in other parts of the world. This global strategy underscores the challenges and opportunities for major crypto exchanges like Kraken. They need to balance the need for global reach with the reality of diverse and often conflicting regulatory requirements. Their approach seems to be one of proactive engagement, seeking to operate within legal frameworks wherever possible. Beyond regulatory news, Kraken has also been in the headlines for other significant developments. One area of focus has been their continued expansion of services and offerings. Despite the regulatory challenges, Kraken has been actively adding new cryptocurrencies to its platform, providing users with a wider range of trading options. This reflects their commitment to remaining a leading exchange with a diverse selection of digital assets. Furthermore, Kraken has been investing in and developing new features for its users. This could include enhancements to their trading platform, the introduction of new tools for analysis and portfolio management, or the expansion of their educational resources. In a competitive market, continuous innovation and improvement of user experience are crucial for attracting and retaining customers. Security remains a paramount concern for any crypto exchange, and Kraken has historically maintained a strong reputation in this area. Any news related to their security protocols, whether it's the implementation of new measures or responses to potential threats, is always closely watched by the crypto community. Maintaining user trust through robust security is fundamental to their long-term success. Another aspect that often puts crypto exchanges in the news is their role in the broader financial ecosystem. As the adoption of cryptocurrencies grows, exchanges like Kraken are increasingly interacting with traditional financial institutions and participating in the development of new financial products and services. Any partnerships, integrations, or initiatives in this area often generate significant interest. It's also worth noting the impact of market trends on Kraken's news cycle. During periods of high volatility or significant price movements in the crypto market, exchanges often see increased trading activity and user interest. This can lead to news coverage related to trading volumes, platform performance, and the overall sentiment of Kraken's user base. Conversely, during quieter periods, the focus might shift more towards regulatory developments or new feature announcements. In recent times, the performance of specific cryptocurrencies listed on Kraken can also drive news. If a particular coin experiences a significant surge in price or adoption, Kraken, as a major platform offering that coin, will likely be mentioned in related news reports. Similarly, any delistings or changes in supported assets can also generate headlines. Furthermore, Kraken's perspective on broader industry trends and its leadership's commentary on the future of crypto are often newsworthy. As a veteran player in the space, their insights and predictions carry weight within the community. Any statements from their executives on regulatory developments, technological advancements, or market outlook can be influential. Finally, it's important to remember that the crypto news cycle is incredibly dynamic. What's a major headline today might be old news tomorrow. Keeping up with the latest developments requires staying informed through reputable news sources and official announcements from Kraken itself. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.